need to understand what is the significance of me keywords. For example, we are a urologist. Urologist needs such a urologist near me or urologist in India. So near me, if we check the specific phrase, so we get these listings available on Google. And accordingly, we have some other specialty, we need to target that accordingly. So these are the list of urologists. And if we change it to oncologist, the oncologist will be this. Oncologist near me, Dr. Ashwini Sachdeva, Dr. Jagdish Singh, Dr. Kanwar Meet Singh, cancer specialist. So these are the examples for the oncologist. And accordingly, if we need to check a hospital near me, we'll do a search for a hospital near me. So, we find them in these kind of hospitals, Mughal Hospital, Park Hospital, Jeep Hospital, Excel Healthcare. And if you want to do it, other way for some specific location, so we can do it like this: hospital in Chandigarh. If we search for a hospital in Chandigarh, so it's when Swana Hospital is on top, and if you want to like some other location, as we can see, the sponsored listing, the listings are showing from different locations as well because they're targeting that specific location, Ambala location as well. Healing Touch Hospital is from Ambala only, so they're showing it. And other hospitals are also available, so we can check those. This is the way we need to work on our optimization so that our hospital is available for that particular location and it's completely visible. So that people can, like patients looking for some treatment, so they can reach to us easily. So that is the objective. So we can work on the strategy and we need to focus on our SEO and backend strategy so that we can update our content accordingly on the front end so that we are easily accessible. All right, thank